Today topic English language class. Farmer. He grew up in the field. Teacher. They teach books. Carpenter. They make chairs. Student. They learned from books. Bank. People deposit their money. Shop. Where people shop something. Car. People used to write. Aeroplane. People used to write for flying. Language. Everyone has spoken something. Army. Who protect their country. House. Where people live with their family. Cups. We use to drink tea. Book. We learned education. City. Where people lives modern world. Thank you for watching my video. For more, please like and subscribe.